How did they know my name though? That's right, it's me, Norma Galloway, Savvy Zen Organizer, back with some more closet tips and inspiration. When I walk into someone's home and I see that there's clutter, a lot of disarray, I know the person is overwhelmed. That's why it's important for me to understand the client. We have conversations about what is the root of the problem before we even get started so that I can help them in a more efficient way. You to a relaxed space in your mind before you can even get to a relaxed space in your home, because it takes a little patience to be able to go through each category, sort it all out, decide if you want to keep it or not. So you have to be very mindful that it's going to take time. But this is a one-time event for you to get started. And once you're started, it flows a lot easier to understand the process of organizing, decluttering, sorting out, working with one category at a time, and making your space beautiful. So if you need more help, give me a call. Check out my website at savvyzenorganizer.com.